Let's design and make stickers with the Cricut Create Sticker feature. We're going to create these 3 designs using all free resources in Cricut Design Space and turn them into stickers with the Create Sticker button. These are going to be perfect practice if you've been watching my beginner series. So let me show you how to make each one. The first one is really simple. We're going to use the heart shape from the Shapes panel, make it the size we want, and then change the color up at the top. Next, we'll add the text, and your system fonts are always going to be free, so I selected one from there. And once the text is sized, we'll change its color as well. So I thought this would be cute little conversation hearts for Valentine's. Now we'll select both items and click the Create Sticker button. So first you choose between die cut to cut through the entire sticker and backing, or kiss cut, which will only cut the top layer and keep the page intact. For these, I'm going to use kiss cut, but stick around for the settings to cut it at the end. Now here are the options to add a border around your sticker. You can choose from thin, standard, wide, and then custom to do whatever size you like. And you can also change the border color as well, but I'm not going to add a border to this one. Then you can add an extra edge with the die cut option to make the sticker easier to peel. Once we hit apply, it's now ready to print and cut on sticker paper. But one thing to note is the layers of the design are still there, and you can adjust the sizing and placement if needed. So another option for creating free designs is by customizing free images. So we're going to take this 3-tier cake design and make a couple of quick changes using the editing tools. So let's use Color Sync, and we're going to change the cake stand color by dragging the yellow up to the pink layer. You just click on it and drag it up. Then we're going to add some more hearts just to jazz up the cake a little bit. So just use the free one from the Shapes panel. Then we'll size it down and then use Duplicate to create 2 more of the same size. Now we'll go back to Layers, select all 3 hearts, and align and distribute to get them all even. Then we can group them and change the colors all at once. Now for this one, under the Create Sticker option, I did add a border, and here's what it looks like if you change the border color. Just a cute little extra option. So I'll go through this last one quickly, but I just wanted to give you some inspiration for creating your own designs without leaving Design Space. Let me know if you want more design-specific videos and I can work on that, but this is just a design that popped up in my head. It's a little doghouse, and I'm just using the free shapes and editing tools to bring the design together. And you can go ahead and slow down the video if you really want to see each step I'm taking. But again, let me know if you want more specific videos like that. So the cool thing is, Once you have your final design and you've created the sticker, you can just duplicate it to make a full sheet. Here is what the matte preview looks like when you click Make It, and I'll put the printer settings on the screen that I use for the specific sticker paper I have, but you'll want to add bleed if you didn't add a border to your stickers, and use the system dialog to specify your paper preferences before printing. And you'll see all those once you hit Send to Printer. Now, if you have the Epson 2800 series, you can follow my exact settings and that should work for you, but you'll always want to do a test cut if you are using a sticker paper that is not Cricut brand. So here's my first print, and you can see the colors are a little dull. So I did a second print and made sure to select glossy photo paper and high quality settings for the print. And you can see it's much more vibrant. But here was my first cut, and you can see it cut all the way through. But the second time around, I selected less pressure on the setting labeled Printable Sticker Paper white and green lining. That's exactly what it says in the prompt. So I'll put all the details in the description as well, but I'd love to hear what types of stickers you'll be creating using the Create Sticker feature with your Cricut. Let me know if you have any questions about the design tutorials, and let me know if you want to see more designs specific videos, and I'll see you in the next one.